Hello everybody. Today I'm in the garden and I want to show to you guys that we have a ton of these beautiful green papayas. And there aren't any ripe ones right now. We have one tree there and one tree here. And so today I would like to make with you guys some green papaya salad. Aren't they delicious? So I would like you guys to come with me today and let's make some delicious food together. We're gonna pick one of these right here real quick. I think this one looks like a good size. Ah, definitely. So let's go inside and make some good food. Okay everybody, we're back inside with all my ingredients for this delicious green papaya salad. I've got some fish sauce here, also called nom pla, some lime juice, fresh squeezed, garlic cloves, salt, dry roasted and salted peanuts, some dried shrimp, 2 carrots, some serrano chilies, grape tomatoes, my green papaya that we just picked, some green beans, and some cilantro. So I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna start with making a paste in my little blender right here. You can use a mortar and pestle if you don't have one of these blenders. guys. This is the delicious, oh my goodness, doesn't it just look so beautiful? Delicious green papaya salad. Carrots, green beans, and tomatoes. And that delicious dressing we made with lime juice, fish sauce, peanuts, dried shrimp, salt. It just is so delicious. I serve this with some grilled meat, and it's a beautiful dinner. Hope you guys enjoy making this for yourself at home. It's a delicious recipe and a way to use all of those green, unripe papayas in our yard. Hopefully you guys have some papayas that you can get to. It's always wonderful sharing my beekeeping, my gardening, and my cooking with you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment in the box, tell me how it turned out for you, and I'll see you guys next time.